Hello guys, how is it going? I'm super excited to announce that one of my friends and colleagues, Demetric T Papa, is launching a new course today. It's a complete course on how to use AI, write books, upload them on Amazon KDP, literally nothing else but clicking with your mouse, use AI, and make profit. Now, I got early access to the whole course and I'll go through one by one. I will show you the offer page or the sales page, and I will show you my special bonus if you decide to purchase using my link. And yes, my link is below this video in the description if you're watching from YouTube. If you're watching from this page, then just below this video, you'll find this button. If you click on this button, it will take you to this website where you can go through, read, and decide whether it is for you or not. I think it is for everyone. I'm going to give access to my 14-year-old daughter and my 8-year-old son because I know they can do it too. And we are starting a new wing in our company based on Amazon KDP. But in our business, we're going to use these bonuses as well. So we decided to give these bonuses to you too. So let me explain what they are. The first VIP bonus. So if you purchase after you see this timer hits 0, then remember these bonuses will not be available to you. So make sure to decide before this timer hits 0. The first VIP bonus is Pinterest customer in 3 days. It's a 48-page book. We will give this book to you. This will get you your book customers from Pinterest using a guaranteed and scientific method. Literally no way to fail in this method. Now the reason I'm giving you this bonus is that inside the course, Demetric showed you how to get initial traffic from Amazon's paid advertisement. Now this is not required, but still you can use paid traffic, but he did not show you free traffic. And we figured books are heavily promoted on Pinterest and tons of Pinterest customers buy books. So this will be extremely valuable to you. The best part, for Pinterest traffic and customers, you don't need to show face. The way we show face in our videos, you do not have to. VIP bonus 2, zero content book. Demetric shows you in his course how to write ebook using AI. Of course, you are not going to write anything. AI will create image for your books, but there are niches where you absolutely don't need to write anything. They are zero word, zero content books. We researched and found 150 niches like this, where you can create books literally by downloading templates from places that we will show you in a moment in this video, so keep watching. Upload them on Amazon and make profit. But your profit is not limited to only Amazon KDP. If you purchase from me before the timer hits 0 and these bonuses expire, you will get a list of 25 marketplaces where you can sell books. So basically, you make a book, whether with content or without content, one time and sell it in 25 marketplaces, keeping 100% of the profits. How cool is that? And VIP bonus 3 is 24-hour bestseller launch checklist. We got this checklist from an Amazon bestseller author who is also our friend. With this in front of you on your desk, you will be churning out books just like this. Here are some instructions how to ensure that you are going to get the bonuses. And at the bottom of the page, you'll see how to receive your bonuses. So every information is here. Make sure you sign up before the timer hits 0. If you're watching from YouTube, the link to my affiliate link and the link to this page is in the description. And if you're watching from this page, then this button will take you to the sales page where you can use any of these buttons and purchase the course. The biggest bonus would be where you don't have to write anything at all. You don't have to use AI as well. And there are 150 niches like that. I'll give you a list of these niches. Let me show you an example. Go to Amazon and look for back to school planners. Yes, kids are going back to school. Now these are hot. All the planners are selling. This particular one got 2,605 4.7 star rating. So probably they sold 20,000 units and they're charging $9 for that. $9 times 20,000, that's $180,000 selling a simple notebook without writing a single word. And you can do it using Canva ready-made templates. There are hundreds of them Just pick one, put it on KDP and make money. But not only Amazon. Go to Etsy and search for the same term, back to school planners, and you'll find hundreds of them all are selling. This one got 49,367 reviews, which means they probably sold 490,000 units and at a higher price. $13.76. How much money did they make? I leave the calculation to you. But you have the best money opportunity because I'm going to give you a list of 150 niches like this. That's my best bonus, direct money bonus, only for first 25 customers. Use the link in the description if you're watching from YouTube, or use the link below this video or the button below this video if you're watching from my website, and get your copy of KDP AI Cracked right now without delay. I received an early review access to the members area, and this is how it looks like. These are different modules, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total 7 modules and 1 module for proof of results. And the first one is welcome to KDP AI Crack. You can have a read yourself. KDP AI Crack, strategy and process explained. Module 1 is getting started with Amazon KDP. Module 2, choosing a profitable niche with AI. Module 3, creating your KDP product with AI. In this module, you will get a free AI writing software that even I didn't know exists. And I found it. I'm going to use it from now. I have paid subscriptions, but this will help me and my students. Module 4, driving traffic to your books. Now, I personally like this model for a specific reason. This module shows how to get paid traffic from Amazon, which means you pay Amazon to get traffic from Amazon. Why would you do that? Well, you will only do it when your book is guaranteed to sell and guaranteed to make profit. Until then, you should use free traffic, and free traffic is not covered in this course. And that is an amazing opportunity for me. Give you complete free traffic as bonus. I'll give you an example. Trends.pinterest.com is a great place to check the trends of something that is on Pinterest. Now, I searched with book. Look at this. When I just type book and add a space, get all these books related keyword stats. And if you look at the graphs a little bit, you see almost all of them looks evergreen. So when I searched with books to read, can you see the graph is pretty much evergreen and steady, even with a peak on January. And then rest of the year, it has a steady demand, not too much high and not too much low. We love evergreen because evergreen makes evergreen money. And if you look at the age of the audience of books on Pinterest, they are pretty serious people as book readers, 18 years to 44 years old. These are the images used, which are pretty simple to make with any basic application, even Canva or any other graphic design application. And these kind of templates are available everywhere. Now, in case you are new to Pinterest and you have no idea how to drive traffic from Pinterest, we have a complete guide, step-by-step guide on how to drive buyer traffic from Pinterest to your website. In case of KDP, you will send your traffic to your Amazon book listing, and our guide will help you with that. So you start with free traffic with our bonus guide, and when you start making money, you might want to drive paid traffic and take full control over your traffic, leads, and sales. In Module 5, you will get done-for-you prompts, templates, and guides, so you don't have to look for how to use AI and what kind of templates you need to use for your books. Module 6 is how to scale your KDP business and make it a full-time business. And Module 7 is conclusion and links to the upgrades. And the final one is proof of results. The sales page is simple and straightforward. If you give it a read, you will clearly understand what it is. Unfortunately, it is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it is a get-rich scheme, a legal, ethical, and a genuine one. Thank you for watching, guys. Once again, this is true passive income using AI and Amazon. It's the best for people who have a 9-to-5 job or busy student, or you have a business and you want to start a new wing just like me, or you can give it to your kids so they can make money just like me while having fun with AI. And on top of that, My bonuses, VIP bonuses, will ensure that you will definitely make profit with free traffic and free customers, with zero content books if you want, and by putting your book in 25 more places and using a quick launch checklist. Only catch here is the bonuses are available until this timer hits 0. Once it hits 0, these bonuses will expire and they will no longer be available with your purchase receipt. So make sure you decide early and get your access before they expire. My affiliate link and this page link is in the description of YouTube video. And if you're watching from this page, then these golden buttons will take you to the offer page where you can use any of these buttons and get your access. Hope to see you succeed.